Daikin AC E7 error, fully explained vertical bar technician friendly guide. Introduction. Is your Daikin AC suddenly showing the E7 error and refusing to cooperate? Don't worry, you are not alone, and your AC is not broken beyond repair. In this video, we'll clearly explain what the E7 error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step, technician-friendly and practical. What is the E7 error? The E7 error in Daikin air conditioners usually indicates a communication failure between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. In simple words, the two units are no longer talking to each other. Warning sign: common causes of E7 error. The most common reasons for the E7 error include 1. Faulty or failed sensors. 2. Loose, damaged, or disconnected wiring. 3. Indoor or outdoor PCB issues. Step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Now let's fix it calmly and professionally. Step 1. Check all communication sensors and connectors. Step 2. Inspect wiring between indoor and outdoor units for looseness, damage, or burns. Step 3. Reset the system PCB by switching off the power completely and restarting after a few minutes. Step 4. Test the unit operation and confirm stable communication. Wrench preventive maintenance tips. To avoid E7 errors in the future. Perform regular servicing. Clean filters properly. Check wiring and sensor connections periodically. White heavy check mark. Conclusion. By following these simple checks and maintenance steps, you can reduce downtime, avoid costly repairs, and keep your Daikin AC running smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next technical guide.